Welcome back to Supreme Luxury, where power meets prestige. And today, we dive into the unstoppable force of engineering, the 2027 BRABUS G800. This is not just an SUV. It's a bold statement of dominance, crafted for those who refuse to blend in. Based on the already iconic Mercedes-AMG G-Class, BRABUS takes things to an entirely different level, transforming luxury into raw, unapologetic power. Under the hood, the G800 lives up to its name with a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out an astonishing 800 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This beast rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 4 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a vehicle with such a commanding presence. The performance isn't just about speed, it's about authority on every terrain. Whether you're cruising city streets or conquering rugged landscapes, the exterior design is pure aggression, blended with sophistication. From the signature BRABUS Widestar body kit to the carbon fiber accents, every detail screams exclusivity. Massive blacked-out wheels, a redesigned grille, and striking LED lighting make sure this SUV turns heads wherever it goes. It's not just built to perform, it's built to be seen. Step inside, and you enter a world of handcrafted luxury, premium leather Alcantara, finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create a cabin that feels more like a private jet than an SUV. Every inch reflects attention to detail. From the stitched BRABUS logos to the high-end infotainment system designed for ultimate comfort and control. The 2027 BRABUS G800 is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle symbol. It represents power, exclusivity, and unmatched craftsmanship. If you crave performance wrapped in luxury, this is the machine that defines the peak of automotive excellence.